Okay, some people have been asking me how the whole entire head unit mirroring thing is working out, and well, I've tested out some things. And so here on the computer, I have Remix OS, which is Android for computers on an x86 platform, just so I don't have to run downstairs to the car and test it over and over again. This is a good test platform. So I've put a little app called Head Unit Reloaded, and I got it over here. So if we launch that, it has this interface, which you can imagine what it looks like on a head unit. There's self mode, which basically uses USB. There's Wi-Fi, Wi-Fi Direct, and some settings and things. So without even tinkering in the settings so much, although there are some to fool around with, for instance, selecting a resolution. So I think by default Android Auto uses a lower resolution than 720p or 1080p, but I'm not sure. Anyway, so without even touching any of the settings here, we can kind of leave this open, or we can close it for like having it be really seamless. So I've done this before. Usually you'll get a kind of dialogue saying, do you want to launch the app when this device connects? So it's fairly straightforward. So here I have, it's quite old, it's a Motorola Moto G. I've installed Lineage OS on it, the latest version, which I think is 14. And so yeah, it's running Android Nougat, or Android N7. And yeah, so basically what happens is you plug it in. So just imagine that this is your head unit, and then plug it in here. And then kind of, oops, if I can find the right port. Okay, so just plug that in. Everything starts up automatically. Just unlock the phone. And ideally, then you have Android Auto pop up on the phone. And there's Android Auto full screen, which would be on your head unit. So I don't know how useful this would be to anyone, but either way it does work. So this is not a touch screen, so I simulate touches with the touchpad, and there's music, then navigation. So right now I have Waze on there. So this is a really old phone, that's why everything takes quite a while to load. Yeah, so there's Waze, and eventually it loads up. There's that. There's the main screen with your cards. Once again, the lag is not because of the technology, it's because of a budget phone from 2013. Anyway, and everything gets forwarded properly as well, so none of the sound comes out of the phone, all the sound comes out of our mock head unit, or in this case the laptop. The microphone works as well, so if you say, okay Google, ideally it's supposed to work. Oh, there it goes in. A little bit of lag as always, but it still pops up and it works properly. So there's that. Okay, thanks for watching, guys.